This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today, how to quickly edit small areas of text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro for Mac. Let's get started. So you need Adobe Acrobat Pro to edit a PDF in the way that I'm going to show you. Open up the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is the paid version of Adobe Acrobat. I'm paying a subscription of about $10 per month, although sometimes I can see that the fee will be more than that. What I've done is I've opened up the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using one of the tools. If you don't see the tools, what you need to do is click on All Tools and then select Edit a PDF. And instantly what's going to happen here is the text inside the PDF will be surrounded by these boxes. So one thing I want to let you know about this method of editing PDFs, it's only good for editing small areas of text. It's not good for editing giant pieces of text where the text needs to be reflowed, because it doesn't work like that. So in this case, I have an area of text that needs to be edited. I'm going to zoom in on it. Maybe you can see it. But it's basically for this section here. This is one of the books that we publish. It gives you a great introduction to LinkedIn, but then it breaks on a weird spot. So what should happen here is actually the text should be broken to the second line here. And that what I'm going to do is I've just placed the cursor inside of right before LinkedIn. This is in the Edit tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro. I'm going to hit Shift Return. Now, that didn't work out exactly the way I wanted to. You could see it actually pushed down all the text. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the delete key, basically to go back. So it gives you a great introduction to LinkedIn. It gives you tips on how to make a good profile. I can see there's other problems too. So this text needs to be fixed. And now there's a missing space. So I'm going to do the same thing. I just did Shift Return to make an extra space. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the text is properly lined up. Okay, so I've moved stuff around a little bit, but I can't do a whole lot of that, because if you start to move text around in a large scale, it just really messes everything up. So for this little edit, that was okay. All I need to do now is just save the file. I want to show you something else. One of the issues that comes up when people try to edit text. Like here is the text for the book. And it's easy enough for me to make a very simple edit. Like let's say delete this exclamation point. You can see the text kind of readjusts to justify. But for making a big edit, it would be a big problem. Like let's say I wanted to delete this whole line here. I could do that. But then all of a sudden there's a giant space right here. And you have to really consider how you can work with the text inside the spacing that opens up when you start to delete stuff or add stuff. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please be sure to like it or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.